If your iPhone won't turn on and your screen's blank or frozen, which is kind of frustrating honestly, all you need to do is follow these steps and you'll have it up and running again in no time. I'm boy named Kelly. First, plug your iPhone into power. For an iPhone 8 and later, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. For an iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold both the volume down button and the side button together until you see the Apple logo. For an iPhone 6s and earlier, press and hold both the home button and the side button or top button together until you see the Apple logo. If it's still not turning on, you might just hold the buttons for about 60 seconds, sometimes that can do the trick. And if your iPhone still isn't working, you might need to check and see that it can charge in the first place. Luckily, I made a video just about that I linked in the description below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to me, boy named Kelly, and if you learned something new today, hit the thumbs up button. And if your iPhone still isn't working, just let it all out in the comment section. We're here to support. This is a judgment-free zone, unless you dropped it in the toilet, which, judgment.